Jeans are a versatile old-time fashion piece that will never go out of fashion. Since the year 1873, the jeans design has evolved so much in the years. Namely, now we have skinny jeans, wide leg jeans, straight leg jeans, mom jeans, and flare. As simple and plain how a pair of jeans can be. Fortunately, we're living in the times where you can transform your jean outfit from simple to casual to classy, and classy to elegant with simple styling tips. Welcome and welcome to my channel. On this channel where we talk about femininity, girls talk, self-worth, discovery, and life motivation. From today's title, we're going to be talking about how to make your jeans to look more elegant and polished. Tip number 1, it will be accessorized with a belt. Though a belt can be viewed as a basic simple statement, yet it can elevate any jean outfit. A well-structured belt can help in accentuating the waist and instantly add a touch of elegancy and sophistication. So when choosing a belt, opt for a more sleek leather belt with a subtitle buckle in neutral colors as such as brown, neutral black, or white. Tip number 2, it will be choose structured handbag. The type of handbag you choose has the ability to make or break your outfit. But if you are looking into exuding a classy, elegant look, a more structured handbag or a chic clutch can definitely refine your look radically. So when it comes to choosing a structured handbag, or for a more structured handbag in neutral colors such as black, navy, camel, raspberry gray, those colors complement a jeans colors effortlessly, exuding a well-refined look. Tip number 3, it will be a button-down shirt. So a white button-down shirt, it creates a calmness, cleanness, freshness effect. It can be worn up or down, take in or loose for a more effortless but elegant look. Also, we have a button-down shirt with a blue stripe. This can be worn on different events as an office wear, a late night dinner, a brunch with a couple of friends. Not only does this outfit create a clean, sophisticated look, but it helps out in balancing the body proportion, which makes it work for different body types. Tip number 4, it will be a structured blazer. Another way to elevate a pair of jean outfit is to pair your outfit with a structured blazer. So a structured blazer have the potential to transform and elevate a simple outfit to a more elegant, effortless, and put together. So it's always best to opt for blazers in neutral colors, as neutral colors create a more aware. Colors such as your black, beige, white, or even chocolate and gray. The structured silhouette of a blazer create a clean, polished, classy look. Also, it's important to pay attention to the fit of your blazer. Also, remember to visit the tailor should you need to for a better fitting. So a well-fitted blazer creates a more sophisticated look, making your pair of jeans outfit to appear more polished and elevated. So the blazers can be paired with variety of different pieces such as your neutral plain t-shirt or blouses, or tankless neck for a more cooler weather. The contrast between the structure of the blazer and the jean create a balanced, polished, elegant look that can work for almost any occasion. Tip number 5, it will be adding a coat or a jacket. The right choice of a coat or jacket can drastically change the tone of your outfit by simply making it to appear more put together and well refined. A long coat instantly adds a layer of class and elegance without even trying harder. You can choose any type of a coat, from trench coat, a wool coat, a leather. All these type of pieces structure they structure your outfit effortlessly while creating an elegant outfit look. Tip number 6, it will be type of shoes. So when it comes to this type of outfit, opt for pointed heels, pointed flats, kitchen heels for a more comfortability, or strappy sandals. This shoe choice could be a fantastic choice. The pointed front of the shoes help in elongating your leg and making you appear more taller, while still keeping the class, refined, polished look, or even giving you a more elegant look. So some flat sneakers also, they exude a subtle, comfortable effect while balancing out the whole entire outfit. Also, let's not forget the ankle boots for those cooler weathers. Also another best option for, especially in those cooler weathers, they can look more elevating on more, especially on skinny jeans and straight legs jeans, while also elongating and structuring your legs for a more balanced appearance.
When you are struggling and you start thinking about giving up, I want you to remember the power of hope. The belief that something better is always possible if you're willing to work for it and fight for it. It is our fundamental belief in the power of hope that has allowed us to rise above the voices of doubt and division, of anger and fear. Our hope that if we work hard enough and believe in ourselves, then we can be whatever we dream, regardless of the limitations that others may place on us. The hope that when people see us for who we truly are, maybe, just maybe, they too will be inspired to rise to their best possible selves.
As I always say, style and fashion are two different things. Style is all about how you put pieces together to express who you are and how people perceive you. Whether being style or fashion you are more comfortable with, do it. No doubt you will always remain beautiful. Thank you ladies for watching. Till the next time, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Remember, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Up until the next time, bye.